Guys, BrotherhoodPVP here, and I'm playing Minecraft's Hypixel Skywars,
With
and I'm
me.
with my friend Cursor Miner, and
Yes.
special guest. Say hello.
Hello.
And yeah, today, I just told you that we're playing Skywars.
Yeah. A real champ there.
Yeah, so here's some updates that we did. Right now, Senior Memes is not here, so 'cause he's kind of busy, but don't worry, he'll be on the future videos.
Because he has a life too.
Yeah, unlike me, but anyways. So as you can see, I have a new texture pack. It's made by Aesthetic Blitz. He's a YouTuber, and there's a guy right here. So I just really like the texture pack. And right now, as you can see, I'm not lagging at all. And that thing is probably cause I downloaded Optifine, and
Up
that's
to
like makes you
fine.
less laggier, I guess. So
Less laggier. That's totally a word, dude. Like, yeah.
less laggier. It's a word, and I made it
Oh my
up.
gosh, this guy's
Go
gonna
look
kill
in the
himself.
go look at the
Oh
YouTube
my god, he
dictionary.
just blew a hole in the ground.
And his name is John Cena.
Dun 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 dun.
This guy's freaking hacking, bro. I swear he's hacking. There we go.
What, did he fly across the map?
No, I think he's lagging. Never mind. I'm pretty sure he's not. Oh God, now I'm on fire. No, no,
Because if you
no! You
saw
can't
him
get me.
fly across the map, that was because he blew himself up in a TNT cannon.
I swear, I was gonna die like right now.
You're gonna die?
I was.
Can I have your body for scientific reasons?
What the heck? Scientific reasons. There we go.
Scientific reasons. That's
There's a
my
reason.
reason for everything.
Pretty much.
That's my excuse for everything, Brosef. Oh!
Okay.
Holy crap, I'm getting shot. No! Get down. Get down,
Go
get
down.
down with the satisfaction. Oh my gosh!
Oh
He's right
God, I'm
there.
mining. I'm mining. I'm mining. I'm mining. I'm
And
mining. Oh,
I'm
there we go.
dead. Free fall.
Yeah, this guy sings a lot, so you're gonna get used to that. Just
Yeah,
saying.
get used to me. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna sing anymore. I don't want to hurt you guys' ears.
No, he actually sings good. Shout out, man.
Why are you telling me to shut up?
I said shout out.
Do you want to dance with me? No, I'm just kidding. Don't.
Uh, I,
No.
I have. I'm like saving that for like a special lady.
Oh, have you met somebody?
No,
Do you have that special
sadly.
girl in your life?
You know the thing that I said they have no life. Yeah, probably that's part of it.
Ha! I do. Okay.
Okay, we know. Well, I do.
You do. You do. You do. Who do? Who do? Okay.
Where are you? Because I really want to kill you right now for bragging about your that you have you're in a relationship with some lady that I do know
Well,
about.
I'm dead, and I'm floating right above you.
Dang it!
Well, I'm not actually floating above you. Technically, I
Ooh,
am, because
tell
I
me if someone's
am.
gonna kill me.
Let's see. Infected Waffle. You're the only. You and this other guy are the only people on this map.
Is he like in the game? I mean, like what am I talking about? Is he like right like near me?
Let's see. Not there. Nope, don't see him. He could be
Good.
underneath you.
Oh God, I really do
I'm
not
gonna go
want that
check
to
where
happen.
he is.
Ooh,
Oh,
yes. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely gonna win. I'm just
yeah,
kidding. No.
he's blocked himself off in
Wow.
one of the bottoms of these little things. So I'm gonna go look and see where it is,
How do you know where he is?
because I just teleported to him.
Oh, I know. I'm done. I'm dumb. That's what I meant to say.
Yep. No.
All right. Okay, there we go. I got the sound effects is actually called the slime ball. There he is. I see him. Only
You
fat
see
ender
him?
pearl. But don't worry. Dang it. Right when I
Oh,
need
he
block.
came out.
Oh God.
Oh, I'm rooting for this guy. He's got a bow.
No.
Everybody that
Root for
has a.
me.
Okay, fine. Woohoo! Infected waffle. Infected
Yes.
waffle or RJ's the epic. What? Who knew that? Not me.
Oh
Come
shoot.
on. Wait, since when did you change your name?
When I could. Like this guy's got to run out of snowballs, man.
Yeah, he does. Or
Can you
does he?
please? Can I kill you? Can I kill you? Can I?
Get down!
That's it.
Get
That's
down!
it. I'm gonna blow myself up.
Eat the region! Take the region! He's coming
Come on,
across
man.
the bridge! He's coming across the bridge! Go! 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 Wait, release your
Fire.
trap. No, he was!
Oh. Yikes.
Did you kill yourself?
Almost did. Yeah, this guy is so
Dude,
annoying.
there's an enchanted diamond chest plated down here.
Yeah. Oh god. Oh
Put it
god. I'm
on,
dead.
put it
I'm
on,
dead.
put it on. Put it on, 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 honk it on, honk it on. Hurry up, put it on. Are you gonna die?
Okay.
You're gonna die.
Yes. Full diamond armor.
He's coming across, he's coming across. Get
There
him,
he is.
get him, get him. Oh,
Get away from me. How is he not getting knocked back? Oh shoot. I'm screwed. Yeah, I'm screwed.
Okay, yeah,
GG.
you died. It's okay.
Oh,
See,
he
what?
died too? Oh, never mind. Yes, he did. Well, that was a bad game, but I'll call it a good game
Okay, we
because,
good. We Gucci.
that was really sad that I
You
couldn't knock him
died.
off. Like, did he have anti-knockbacks or anything? I don't know. 'Cause- Probably because he had diamond armor, I guess. I don't know.
I think there's no such thing as anti-knockback.
Yes, there is. It's like a hack or something.
A hack. I think he's
Yeah.
got God mode on.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of hackers.
Yeah, so
Like
have
flying hacks, kill aura, a lot of stuff.
I. By the way, guys,
But don't worry, there's a watchdog.
I'm very sick, so don't get mad
Oh, yeah.
at me. Please
Yeah,
don't
pray
get
for
mad
him.
at me.
Hashtag pray for Cursor.
I don't want to be prayed for.
Alright. Screw Cursor.
Okay, I don't want to be screwed either.
I don't know what to say then.
All right, let's
You
do
want a sword?
this.
No.
Holy crap! I just wrecked a guy and knocked him off the side with snowballs.
Oh my
I just went
god!
full machine gun on him.
You are a legend! Are you serious?
Yes,
Oh my god, GG, bro.
you can check my recording later.
Oh, let me see. It says Cursor Miner. Oscar's Tolt was thrown into the void by Cursor Miner. Oh, there's a guy right below us, dude. Right below us.
Right below us.
Do you have a pickaxe or anything?
There's a diamond pickaxe right here.
Oh, use that. Oh,
QQ. There you
never
go.
mind. He's over there. I'm going in for him. Going in for the kill. Going in for the kill. Yes,
Peace.
yes, yes.
Okay, build up, build up, build up. We're gonna hold up this place.
Okay, how the heck? There
Oh,
we go.
you leaving me? Okay, here, get up
No.
here. Okay, now.
Um.
Go. Okay.
Mine up. Mine up.
I don't have the pick.
There we go. There we go. You can do this, man. You can do this. Come on, man. You can do this. You can do this. Come on. Be a parkour master. Or
Okay.
not. Just use the pickaxe. No. Yes. Yes. X.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, we have a lot of obstacles. There we go. Finally got on top of our island. Let's see. There's a guy over there and two people over there. One guy over there.
I need my bow.
You have a bow?
No, I need a bow.
Oh. One guy in the middle
I
with
am
really OP stuff. I don't think we should mess with him right now.
I am the gate master, so I'm just gonna.
But
So no one is allowed to get past me. I think. Okay, this doesn't have knockback. I need a knockback sword so I can just sit here on the edge and just pound them off. While you sit over here and do whatever you do.
do you want to just go run around?
Yeah, I guess we could do that.
Yeah, come on. I mean, this stair was like not worth it. Screw that, YOLO. If we're gonna kill someone, stay near me so we could like
I can't see
use
anything.
this
Okay, I'm gonna stay behind
regeneration
you.
pot. Wow, no lag, man.
I'm gonna stay behind you so that if they kill me, you know, and if they kill you, I know. Oh, there's a guy. He's building up. Go,
Too late, man, for him.
Go, 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 go.
Should we kill this guy?
Yes, we should. We should kill every guy.
Do you have blocks?
No, I do not. But I
Okay,
can
that's-
get them.
Bro, by the time we're gonna do that, probably gonna die. Oh, he notices us. Oh shoot! Get back! Get back!
Nope.
Get back, bro! Get back!
Some.
Get over here! Get over here! Bro, we could actually kill.
Killing it.
What did I just do? Oh my god, I'm so dumb.
Oh, I killed him. Holy crap! I killed him.
Oh, sweet. I
I
was like
died
a
of fall damage.
dang it.
I died of fall damage, and I was doing so good. Oh my god.
Hey, that was a pretty good game. But the
Yeah,
thing is, I was like dumb and I fell off.
I beat a guy off an edge with snowballs, and I killed another guy with brute force. So that's good.
I mean, it's a good comeback since you like
Comeback kill.
barely started playing Minecraft again.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Long
It's
while.
been a
So are you
while.
gonna? I'm just gonna interview you right now. So are you gonna stick to Minecraft or are you gonna like?
Yeah. Now that I've got the recording software, the only reason I wasn't playing anymore was because I didn't have the recording software.
Yeah, you should
By the
probably thank
way,
me right here.
give him props because he showed me fraps. So yeah.
Yup, yup, yup. All right. Where are you? Is that you? No, I'm gonna knock this guy off. No. Oh, dang. This
I will
guy.
attack you,
Alright. This is Panda guy. Shout out to Panda Bros. If you know who
panda.
you are.
Panda. I like pandas.
Sweetheart.
Ever since I saw, holy crap! What the heck? No,
No.
I died. It's Ben Quarles PvP. Is he a panda? Because if he's a panda, I hate pandas now.
You just disgraced the YouTubers, the Panda Bros. Do you know who they are?
I'm
They're
sorry,
like my,
Panda Bros. I'm
they're my
sorry.
friends.
I'm
And this
sorry.
guy named Mr. Panda 88.
Well,
My friend. Oh God, I
ever
really don't want to mess with you. I really don't want to mess with you. Please leave me alone.
plus
Yeah, yeah.
plus, bro.
You better run. You better run.
Yeah, I'm
You better
very
not
very
miss me.
sick. So
Better
don't
not
get
miss me.
mad at me. Don't get mad at me if you hear a lot of coughing and sneezing.
I'm gonna fight it with a really tough tiger.
Well, I mean, if you hear um uh infected sniffling, that's just because he's crying. So
Yep, pretty much.
that's
I'm
just
not
because
sick,
he's
okay?
crying.
Shoot, I'm running, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Wait, where are you? I am rooting for you.
Yeah,
And I'm
yeah,
dead.
you should stop rooting.
Oh, I can still see you dying.
It's sad.
I saw your little body falling through the atmosphere or whatever is down here.
Yeah, the void.
Yeah, the void. Falling through the
Yellow.
void. You just fell through the void with, I saw your body falling through the void.
With the confidence, man. That was
You were
bravery.
just flailing and screaming, and it was horrible, and I feel bad for you.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, man.
Okay.
Oh, ball. It's a pretty good map, but one
Oh,
of my
look,
favorite maps is
everything's
probably
red. Oh,
Aegis.
never mind, it's not red. It's just that the glass was red.
Are you gonna get this chest now? Why
If you
not
find
get
a bow,
this?
it's mine.
All
I'll
right.
give you the fishing pole. Or
Yeah, I
this
didn't find.
do you need a potion of fire resistance?
No. Do you need a weapon?
Weapon? I'm not
You have
sure
a
I
like.
do. Yes, I do, actually.
What the, what the
I
heck?
can't swim! Oh,
But you're not black. I'm just kidding. No,
that's
I'm just kidding, guys.
horrible. I bet you get
Guys,
so
I'm
many
gonna make
freaking
this.
bad comments down in the comments
Yes.
description. They're just like,
Bro, knock
oh,
this guy off. Knock this
you're
guy off.
so, what?
Knock this guy off. Stop talking and get knock this guy off. Yes. Yes.
Yeet.
Yes. Oh. Oh.
Oh!
Oh. Dang.
Oh! Hurry up and
Oh.
get over here. There's 3 guys over here. They're
Cares about them.
scaring me. Oh, wait, I've got eggs.
Bro, come on. Let's. I'm trying to loot these. I think they already looted all of them. Yeah, they
And I
did.
knocked both of them off, so we can't get their loot.
Yeah. It's all your fault. I'm just kidding. Oh. Oh, so close. Are you out of eggs? No, save it up. Save it up.
I've got 1 egg left. I'm gonna hit this guy.
Too
Oh.
late.
Holy crap.
Oh.
He's coming back for revenge.
Oh God.
I'm
It's
gonna
all your
land
fault.
this
You
egg.
started this. You
Oh,
started
I
this.
got him. Oh.
You started this.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, here. Do you need some boots? Here you go. Golden boots.
Golden boots. Why do you give me all the gold stuff? Gold
Oh, you want the
sucks.
diamond? Here,
I
here.
don't want the diamond. Gosh, that's your best. But you're not. Whatever. I don't
Here,
care.
man.
It's not.
Knock this guy off, bro. We can knock this off. Get this. Dang it.
No, I don't want
Here.
the. Fine. Gosh.
You
Give
know
me
you
your
wanted it, babe.
diamond boots. Gosh.
Okay, hold shift, because they might see us. Try to knock us off.
Dun-dun. We're the Navy SEALs.
Oh god. We're really bad Navy SEALs.
I can't.
Really
No,
bad
I
Navy
can't
SEALs.
freaking move because you're telling me to hold shift.
Yeah, you had to hold shift. I mean, that's how I do it. Oh, bro. No, dude. Don't fight without me. Yeah, get
Peace.
the heck out of there. Peace out, Girl Scout. Oh god, we're screwed.
Oh yeah, by
We're
the way, I
screwed.
got a diamond chest plate. Yeet.
Oh, nice.
The guy dropped it.
Yeah, you should
Oh
probably equip it.
hello, hello there. Hello. Oh my god, I'm gonna
Oh
fall.
my god!
You guys stay over there.
Dang
What are
it!
you doing?
I went to the land, but I just jumped. You know, sometimes I really do
Holy
stupid
crap! He
stuff.
took away the freaking water.
Oh shoot,
No,
we're
I
screwed.
didn't grab it in time.
We're screwed.
he just
No!
he just stole the water out from under us.
Ah, he's smart, man.
He was just
Gee.
like, okay, shh. He's just like, okay, we're gonna use the bucket here. Bucket, bucket. Oh, that was awesome though. I only had a pickaxe. I just went in there just like, ah.
Alright, one more round or two more rounds?
We'll do one more.
Okay. Like after this one, or like this is the final one?
There's one more. This is the last
Okay.
one. This last one.
Alright.
Sorry guys.
Let's
Sorry
make
guys.
this let's make this the best one.
Yes, we're gonna try our hardest. This guy's
Like-
already got snowballs, guys. We're done. We're done. Wrecked. Wrecked. He's got a bow. I'm dead.
Oh you're like right next to me, bro.
What?
Dang.
What?
Well, I got a bow. I should have gave you this bow.
Okay. All right. I'm watching. I'm watching.
I'm thinking I'm getting. Tell me if someone's kind of.
There's a guy right behind you, by the way.
Oh shoot.
He was right behind you, built up, but
Oh.
now he's down there. I think you're screwed either way.
Yeah, you
I
just
thought-
noticed.
Okay, you know what? We're gonna do one more after this.
Okay.
'Cause
Because are we screwed?
We said that we were gonna try our hardest, and I died. So, like 5 seconds in. Even though it's gonna be really embarrassing if like it didn't record this entire time. There's a guy shooting at you. There's a guy shooting at you. He's over at mid.
Oh shoot!
Did
All
you
right,
die?
team or solo?
Let's do the teams.
Okay.
All right, let's do this.
All right.
Let's do it.
That first round took a long time. For nothing.
Oh my gosh! I just noticed something.
What?
This map is a clock.
What do you mean?
The map that we were just on was a clock.
I don't get it.
If you fly up in the air, it's actually a clock.
Seriously?
Yeah, it had the numbers on it and everything.
Wow. I should probably check that out. Oh, this one. I usually slide off and fall, but let's not do that.
Let's not do
mistake
that.
again.
Let's not do that this time.
Yeah. Come on, we have a Girl Scout code.
Girl Scout code. I like to have that Girl Scout code.
Here.
But I'm not a Girl Scout.
Oh,
I
here,
got
dude.
the diamond axe, guys. We're done. GG.
You have a sword or anything?
I have a diamond axe and a sword, but I'm gonna keep the sword and I'll give you this awesome diamond axe. Goodbye,
man.
Betty.
Okay, you better kill more than me. Okay?
Okay.
Because you know I suck.
Okay, so how many are you gonna kill? An estimate. An estimate.
0
The
probably.
guy's looking
An
through the
estimate.
glass.
Oh,
If only
You do it.
if only the fishing rod didn't do knockback, it did like pull.
That would be awesome, but like still, I mean, you could do that for mobs.
Okay. How are we gonna do this?
This map, I mean, this texture pack's really good for the water's like so clear, so you can like see through.
How are we going to Shrek these people?
by doing my way. Trying to
Oh, I've got a
rush.
golden chest plate. Get
Watch me get
back!
like knocked off.
Get away from him.
Oh, they're getting raided, dude.
Holy crap! Break the bridge! Break the bridge! Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back!
Get back. Oh, I survived. I survived. I survived. Thank God I broke this ice. So there's water. Why is everything slow motion? Oh, never mind. I thought that guy was walking slow motion. What the heck?
Did you fall off?
Did you break the?
Yes, I broke the bridge. They're coming across. What was I
What?
supposed to
It
do?
looks, but like I could see it. There's some kind of glitch.
What? All right. Well, that was that, guys. Goodbye. And
Yeah, so
like and
subscribe to him. I'll put a
subscribe.
link down below. And if you like this video, we'll make more, you know? Yeah, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like. I just said that. I'm dumb. And
Yep.
yeah.
Well,
See you
goodbye.
guys later.